Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you a very quick, easy sun salutation routine yoga wise. This will really help get you ready for the day, moving all the limbs and a gentle stretch. And I'm doing it in my jeans because there are so many videos out there and everyone's wearing their latest fitness kit. And I realise most people actually don't have it and they're either in their joggers or like me in a pair of jeans, and you don't have to have all the gear. As long as you don't have anything on your feet, easy top, t-shirt and a pair of jeans. So let's start. So first things first, I'm just going to stand into the side here, and I'll stand this way so you can see me. I'm just taking my hands, holding in my core, literally for a count of about 3, just to really hold that engagement and to really help protect the back. Taking my hands and I'm lifting them up in a circle and gently stretching down. And I like to do this 3 times. And last time. And then once we've done that, I'll come to the side so you can see. I will then just come down, just very gently place my hands, literally I'll stand here as much of the toes and just hang. And try to lift up the legs as straight as you can. A nice stretch on the thigh and the back of the calves. Then we're just going to walk our feet along and we're going to come into a plank position. And again, make sure your fingers are nice and spread out so you've got maximum coverage on the floor as well as your toes. And hold this for a second. And then come down, hold this for a second, then very gently come down and lift up, holding this position here. If you find this difficult, you can always come down onto your elbows here. Holding this position here, and then come up, take your knees back and come down into a child's pose. And then come back up after that lovely stretch, come up onto your toes and then all the way up and pull back. If you like, you can take your toes and just very gently just sort of work it out. Again, holding in your core. And then slowly come up. And then gently, bit by bit, vertebrae by vertebrae, come back up and relax. So let's do this again. I might even do this another 2 times. If you want, you can stop at 1, but I like to do it in a set of 3. So again, with our hands coming up, lovely stretch. And we go a bit faster this time on the last 2. Again, holding in the core here. Sorry, the light's not very good today, so hopefully you can see. Coming along, standing, and then just very gently folding. Keeping the body nice and relaxed. Fingers on the floor. Try to get as much of a stretch as you can here. Come along. A nice plank. Hold. Come down. Lift up, come down, working out, holding, and then working along again. Again, I'll come forward so you can see me. Let's do this one last time. So lifting up, deep belly breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Getting oxygen and blood flow all to the body. Coming along, folding down, nice and gentle. And if you can, place your hands down, gentle stretch of the back leg here. Come along. A nice plank, holding in the core, coming up onto, so we're looking up into the sky. My favourite, child's pose. Coming up onto the toes. And if you like, you can stretch it out a little bit. And then just gently come back up again. And slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. And then just roll the shoulders back. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Again, in the jeans, just a bit sort of ad hoc, just to show you that in the morning, it doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing, how you're dressed, you can actually do this morning this morning stretch, if you like, yoga stretch, anywhere, anytime. So please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and a thumbs up, and I hope you really enjoy the video. Okay,